Well, hello, welcome back to Dan Adventures OG. Today I'm taking you on a motorcycle ride from Mtumba to Dodoma City Centre. The distance is about 20 kilometers and the journey usually takes about 25 to 35 minutes depending on traffic, but this is just a summary. Okay, let's go together. Wow. We have started the journey here in Mtumba, one of the fastest growing areas in Dodoma. As you can see, there are many new houses being built and plenty of open plots waiting for development. This area has changed a lot over the past few years and continues to attract new residents. Wow, look at the place. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this signboard, University of Dodoma. That road is in front of us. Yeah. One thing I noticed about this route is that the road is not very busy. The ride feels smooth and comfortable. However, you will notice many large trucks and long vehicles passing through because this is an important route connecting Dodoma with other regions of Tanzania like the Morogoro heading to Dar es Salaam, Iringa, and Singida. Yeah. You can see some houses are still under construction. So wow, look at those pots right there, decorations, the DIYs, flower pots everywhere. Yes, as we continue the journey, take a look at the surroundings. You can clearly see how Dodoma is expanding. New homes, businesses, and other developments are appearing in many areas. It is exciting to see how fast the city is growing. Wow. Business premises, superdoll. It's beautiful. Wow. You know, one thing I enjoy about riding through this route is the mix of quiet residential areas and the feeling of gradually getting closer to the city. It gives you a good view of both the peaceful and busy sides of Dodoma. And what I love or what I enjoy seeing is the greenish color. Look at this big boab tree. I will make a video about visiting the boab trees. There are somewhere. There's very many. One thing what I want to tell you is that wow, look at the trees, look at the decorations alongside the road. Wow, the flowers. Green Dodoma is possible, you know. I think you can witness it yourself. Look at the big trucks. They are everywhere, everywhere. Passing by. Yeah. You know, as we get closer to Dodoma City Centre, traffic starts increasing. You can see more motorcycles, cars, buses, shops, and people walking by the road. The atmosphere becomes more active compared to where we started. And also there are traffic lights in Dodoma City, though there are not many if you've been in Dodoma comparing to Dar es Salaam. So guys, we are now arriving in Dodoma City Centre, the heart of Tanzania's capital city. Thanks for watching. Until next video, don't forget to subscribe.